I launched my business in last month and this is long overdue. This has been sitting in my draft for a while since last year. So I just thought to come and share with you guys. If you're seeing me for the first time, hi my love. My name is Wura Ola, but you can call me Ola. On this channel, I talk about skincare, I talk about motherhood and real life experiences. And in this channel, I'll be sharing one or two from my knowledge that I know might be helpful to you guys. So if that sounds like something that you like, you know what to do. Kindly hit that subscribe button to subscribe to this amazing channel, and I will love to see you around. Like I said earlier, I launched my business at Ola's Bloom last month, and I will be taking you guys throughout my pre-launch series. So I did an importation for everything I was going to need for my business, because when I checked everything I need and their prices here in Nigeria, I just said that they were too expensive for me. And as someone that knows about importation very well, I had to put it into use. I imported most of the things that I used from China. I needed a BBA mannequin, I needed some hangers, I needed curtains. And so yeah, this is the curtain here where I am unboxing. And what if I tell you that I bought curtains for two of my windows in my business place at the cost of 36,000 naira? I am telling you, and the shipping fee was not more than 4,000 naira because I used sea shipping. So compared to how much they sell here in Nigeria, you know that this is quite a steal. It was very, very affordable. I got the curtains for two windows. I got them for per one window 19,000 naira. So that is 36,000 naira. I shipped in everything here with the mannequin and everything. I think I spent 76,000 or 78,000 naira, and to me it is quite affordable compared to how much they are selling everything here. Then I got my mailer bag from China. I got 300 pieces of mailer bag for just 19,000 naira. 300 pieces of different sizes. I got the mailer bag for 19,000 naira, everything with the shipping. Then I got my BBM mannequin, which I didn't unbox in this video. I'm going to share the unboxing video later, or let me know if you guys want me to do the unboxing video and share with you how much they sell it in Nigeria. If you want to get a BBM mannequin, you know that you have to have nothing less than 200,000 naira. And what if I tell you that I got a BBM mannequin for something less than 100,000 naira? Just let me know if you want me to drop the video in my next video, and I will do that. I got some clothes for my husband, and as you can see, I got microphone. This microphone that I'm currently using now. I got a microphone for just 14,000 naira, and I got some clothes for my husband at an affordable prices. You see, this China importation, I learned it in 2016, 2017 before I get admission, and then I didn't see any use for it. It was until now. So what I'm trying to say is, whenever you are opportune or you see the opportunity to learn something, even if you feel you might not need that thing, please take your time. Take your time and study that thing. It might be helpful. It might not be helpful now, but it should definitely come in hand. It should definitely be of an help to you in later. This is what happened to me during about this importation, because I learned it when I didn't need it, and years later it saved me. So this is me just unboxing the hangers that I got. I got these hangers, I think 40 pieces. I got the hanger for just 15,000 naira. This is my pre-launch series. I think it will be in series. Let me know what you guys think, if I should continue or we should just go back to our normal ways of making videos on this channel. If you want me to continue, let me know in the comment section, and feel free to ask me any questions concerning importation in the comment section. I will gladly answer everything. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you. Bye.